drive growth while embracing sustainable practices. Industry leaders from the financial sector say integrating sustainability into business strategies is no longer a choice, but a necessity in today's evolving economic landscape. Our reporter Lebogang Mabange attended the event and filed us this report.
Discussions at the Future of Sustainability conference in Johannesburg on Tuesday, the 24th of March, focused on how businesses can unlock growth while navigating sustainability challenges. Experts from across the financial sector highlighted the urgent need for practical, scalable solutions to help businesses respond to rising costs, climate risks, and shifting consumer expectations. Kival Singh, Sustainability and ESG Solutions Head at FNB, says many businesses are under pressure to adapt while still trying to grow.
We've seen firsthand how the landscape is changing. Businesses are navigating energy insecurity, rising costs, climate risk, regulatory pressure, and shifting consumer expectations. And all of this while trying to grow their businesses, so as if it wasn't challenging enough. So I think that's why we're here today. We want to try and simplify that sustainability journey for you. Corporates and companies often ask, what is the starting point? So the truth is, there's a lot of starting points. We need to partner with you and help you figure those out, whether it's energy, water, transport, buildings, or emissions.
A key issue raised during the session was the challenge many businesses, particularly small and medium enterprises, face when it comes to sustainability reporting and accessing relevant data. Kenny Kirby from RMB's investment banking division says this limits their ability to unlock funding and support.
And a lot of these clients are grappling with this question of how do they support those businesses. And I think one of the biggest challenges that we see those businesses grappling with is actually reporting and data. And that feeds into actually the ability or limits the ability for us to actually provide tailored solutions, identify opportunities that need to be funded, and also incentivize the right type of behavior. So I think those SME businesses within the supply chains, within the private markets, a lot of them are struggling to navigate which standards to apply, what data to collect that matters most for them.
Despite these challenges, speakers noted that the sustainable finance sector continues to grow globally, with South Africa emerging as a key player on the continent. Linda Cele, product head for key accounts and partnerships at WesBank, says the country is making steady progress.
There's a lot of work happening if we look at the international markets and you look at the sustainable finance market itself. That has grown exceptionally well abroad. I think from 2015, it was in the hundreds of billions and now it's in the trillions. Africa's share of that is quite small, but South Africa stands out as a market that is really making progress towards sustainable finance. And some of the ways we have supported that growth is we've taken a step to deliberately be a partner that enables customers to transition to sustainable solutions.
As conversations continue at the conference, the focus remains on equipping businesses with the tools, partnerships, and knowledge needed to transition toward a more sustainable and resilient future. Reporting for Channel Africa, I am Lebogang Mabange in Johannesburg, South Africa.
Still in South Africa, a two-day South African pharmaceutical exhibition, SAFEX, is currently underway in Johannesburg, and the event is bringing together pharmaceutical manufacturers, healthcare professionals, distributors, technology providers, and decision makers all under one roof. And it serves as a major hub across South Africa and the SADC region for healthcare and industry professionals. Sisi Sekhalo picks up the story.
Hundreds of manufacturers, companies, academia and governments from across